One of the biggest concerns people have when they consider using an app like Beforepay is privacy, specifically, the question of whether or not their employer will be contacted. It's a completely valid concern. No one wants their financial choices broadcast at work. So, let's get straight to the point. No, Beforepay does not contact your employer. This is a key part of their business model and a feature they actively promote to give you peace of mind. They understand that most people want to keep their financial dealings private, and their system is built to respect that. The service is designed to be completely confidential between you and the Beforepay app. You do not need to involve your workplace at all. You might be wondering, well, if they don't call my boss, how do they verify my income and employment status? That's the clever part that technology enables. Beforepay uses a secure system that connects to your bank account. This connection is read-only, meaning they can look at your transactions, but they can't move any money. Their smart technology scans your transaction history to look for regular, consistent income deposits. It's looking for a few specific things. First, that you receive a salary regularly, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Second, that the payments are coming from a single, identifiable source, which confirms your employment. And third, that you meet their minimum income requirements. The entire verification process is automated, digital, and happens quickly within the app. There's no human on the Beforepay side having to call your company's HR or payroll department. This entirely bypasses the need for any communication with your employer. So, to summarize and give you absolute clarity, Beforepay prides itself on its privacy policy. The system verifies your income through secure, encrypted bank data analysis. Your employer is not contacted at any stage. It remains a private financial tool for you to manage your cash flow when you need it. If financial privacy is a deal breaker for you, rest assured that Beforepay's process is designed specifically to keep your use of the service completely between you and the app. That's one less thing to worry about. If you want to know more about how they secure your data, you can check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.